Yeah, hello guys. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to add voiceover to your videos, and especially if you are doing lifestyle based content or vlogs or Africa folktales videos and you want to be adding voiceover to your videos, you need to actually watch this video all the way from beginning to the end so that you'll be able to add voiceover to your videos. So first of all, you need to actually have an InShot app, and this is the app that I'm talking about. You need to actually have this particular app, InShot app, and after you actually download this particular app, you open the app. And if you don't have this particular app, you can go to Play Store or Google Play Store or Apple Store and download this particular app. And after you download this particular app, you don't need to even sign up, just open the app. And when you open the app, you click on where we are having videos. And when you click on where we are having videos, if you are signing in first, you will not have all these things because I've already used this particular app to edit or do something with these particular videos. That's why you are seeing it here. But if you are actually signing up for the first time, what you just need to do is that you just click on new. And when you click on new, it's actually going to open the videos that you are already having in your phone, and you pick a particular video that you want to add voiceover to it. So you select it, and after you select that particular video, you click on this particular icon to mark it, and after that it is actually going to send you back to the timeline. So you can see that it has redirected me back to the timeline, and this is the video that I'm having. And if I want to add voiceover, I need to come and press on this particular icon where we are having audio. Where we are having audio, you click on where we are having audio. So if you click on where we are having audio, this is what you are going to see. You are going to see music, effect, and record. So you click on where we are having record. You click on where we are having record here, and this is what I want you guys to do. Let me go back and show you guys something. First of all, before you even start to do the voiceover, just click on the video, and when you click on the video, make sure the volume, you go to where we are having the volume, and from there you just move it back to 0, so that you don't want the video to still be speaking or be talking as you are making the voiceover. You can just click on where we are having the volume icon and send it back to 0 and press on OK. And after that, you go back to where we are having the audio and now click on it. And after you click on where we are having audio, you click on record. And when you click on record, you need to actually press on this particular red icon. And when you press on this particular red icon, this is what is going to happen. You can see that turn off countdown, but I think you need to leave it. The best thing to do is to leave this particular countdown to 3, and as it is 3 like this, it is actually going to count down 1 up to 3, 1, 2 before you can start doing the voiceover. And that way, when you click on it to start doing the voiceover, you see that it has started counting muted. So okay, so you can see that I've now actually doing my voiceover, and I can actually just do whatever I want to do with it. And from there, I can now click on this particular icon here to save it. And after I click on it to save it, I can now click on where we are having export. I can click on where we are having export to export that particular video after I'm done with my voiceover. And that's how you can actually do voiceover or add voiceover to your videos. And if this video was helpful and you want to be seeing videos like this, make sure you actually subscribe to the channel, and also make sure that you like this video and share it to your friends, share it to anyone that may be in need of it. And in my next video, I'll be talking about how to remove the InShot logo, or icon or watermark in your videos. without subscribing to the pro plan. So make sure you subscribe to the channel to get that particular update. So I will see you in the next one. Peace out.